This is the quick guide. If you like this, move on to the 4-part episode on sill repair. Step 1 is find the rust. Grind it down and assess how bad it is. Cut a hole bigger than the rust surface. And check just to make sure that you've cut a big enough hole. If not, recut some more, square off. Scrape off any excess rust and dry out. Hoover up any particles and inspect some more. Scrape off some more rust and hoover that out too. Protect and seal the inside. Make a template, cut out the template, shape it, prepare the back of the template, prepare the area to be welded and weld. Best to weld in the little spot technique. Let's get a few nice welds here and here. Beads, and then I start getting a bit carried away trying to do grind, reassess and re-weld. If you come to bad metal, make another plate. Prime, get rid of any high sections, fill with any low sections. Sand some more, prime and sand some more. Add some more filler and prime, and you got it, sand. Do some detailing, do some more sanding, do some more filling with some stuff that really doesn't work too well. Do some more filling, do some more sanding, clean, prep and spray, wait and sand. Spray some more, spray over a top coat. Use a rubbing compound, clean, use a T-cut, use a polish or a wax, tidy up the area where you've welded, and there you go, job's a good one.